Now then, what's I doing?
Nailed.
Well, bugger off, they're not on private property.
Can I get up to that Kes Sound's nest?
What Kes Sound's nest?
Up wall.
I thought you weren't coming.
Why, I'm not late, am I?
Very near.
I nearly was, though.
What do you mean?
Ah, Judd, he's taking the bike.
Well, what are you going to do then?
Walkie.
Walkie? How long do you think that's going to take?
It'll not take me long.
Hey, there's a waiting list a mile long for that job of yours. Good lads, too, most of them. From up Furze Hill, round there.
I haven't let you down, have I?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Not very promising again.
A bit on the nippy side as well, I think, this morning.
Aye.
20 players tip, please.
Oh, right. I've not got 20. Will 2 tens do?
Yes, that'll be quite all right, thank you.
Third class riding's better than first class walking any day.
You call that third class riding in that ramshack?
What do you mean, ramshack? This is one of the best models Dairy's got. Cheeky one. See you tomorrow.
No, only go 20 mile an hour as it is.
Yeah, I've got too much rattle, eh?
Evening.
I told you it wouldn't take me long.
How many times do you want telling where to put that bag?
Time is it?
Time you were at school.
Is it that late?
I wouldn't be you a teacher for all the call in Barnsley.
Oh, Mr. Porter!
Oh!
Watch it, Mr. Porter.
You clumsy young bugger. What are you trying to do, kill me?
I lost my balance.
I wouldn't put it past you either. I fair felt my heart go then.
Just sit down here and relax a couple of minutes. Are you all right now?
I'm bloody champion.
I'll be off then.
And don't be late tonight.
Sir.
Bridges?
Absent, sir.
Absent. Bridges. Casper?
Sir.
Clegg?
Sir.
Fisher?
German bite.
Did you say something?
Yes, sir. I didn't mean...
Stand up. What did you say?
German bite, sir.
That's sir.
He's right, sir.
Is this your ridiculous idea of a joke?
No, sir.
Oh, what is the idea then?
Oh, when you said Fisher, sir,
Oh, what about it?
just came out. Fisher, German bite. Shipping forecast, sir. Fisher, German bite, chromaty. I like to hear it every night, sir. I like names.
And so you thought you'd enlighten me and the rest of the class with your idiotic information?
No, sir.
Blurting out and making a mess of my register?
It just came out, sir.
And so did you, Casper. Just come out from under a stone. I said quiet. Is anyone else absent besides Bridges and Fisher? Any girls? Right. Now then, it's time we're off to assembly. One row at a time. This one. Stand. Forward. Pamela, you're talking pretty loud.
Hey up, Billy. What do you mean?
Germans bite.
Oh, shut your mouth. I'm sick of hearing about Germans bite.
Are you coming nesting tomorrow then?
I'll come.
What time?
About 6. Don't be late. Coming, Guff.
Where?
Nesting.
When?
Tomorrow.
What time?
About 6.
Well, can't.
Why?
Take your girlfriend to Sheffield.
There it is.
Aye.
A big oil.
It's yesterday for donkeys use now.
Just thinking, I never knew.
No, there's not many that does.
Been watching from wood there. Goes onto the post, then hovers, and swoops down onto the prey, carries it off to the young'uns. It looks great.
Been going to knock that wall down for ages now.
What for?
But it's dangerous. I wouldn't even let her play near.
If I live round here, I'll get a young'un and train it.
Would you?
You can't train him.
You know how?
Do you know?
No. There's not many that does. They're out to train it. They're not kept properly. It's criminal.
And anybody who's kept him?
One or two. But better let them go. Because they're out to train.
Where can I find out about him then?
Well, probably public library. Lesson books on them.
Where's that?
Down in City.
Hey, are you a member?
What do you mean?
Are you a member of the library?
I don't know about that. I know the book on Falconry, that's all.
Well, you have to be a member to take a book out.
Well, I only want one.
Well, have you filled one of these forms in?
No.
Well, you're not a member then. You have to take one of these home first for your father to sign.
My dad's away.
Well, you can wait till he comes back home, can't you?
I don't mean that. I mean, he's left home.
Oh, I see. Well, in that case, your mother will have to sign it for you.
I bet she's at work, and she'll not be home till tea time, and it's Sunday tomorrow.
There's no rush, is there?
My mum knows one of the people who works here, you know. That'll help, won't it?
No, that doesn't help at all. You still have to have the back signed. To be a member, you'll have to have somebody over 21 who is on the borough electoral roll to sign it for you.
Ah, well, I'm over 21.
You're not over 21.
Ah, but I vote.
You don't vote. You're not
I
old
do.
enough to
I
vote.
vote for my mum. She don't like voting, so I do it.
Just have to wait for it, won't you?
Where would I find a book then? In a shop like?
Well, you'd have to go down the street. There's a second-hand bookshop there. You'll find some down there.
Yes, I'm rather interested in Noel Coward's autobiography, Present Indicative. No, it's complete. It's a complete book. Yes, it was in circulation about 7 years ago.
Should get that file.
must have got this from and I can't read.
Give it here. Come here.
Get off, falconry. What's that I want to know about falconry?
Give it here.
Falconer's handbook, where have you got this from?
I've lent it.
Stole it more like. Where have you got it from?
A shop in town.
You must be crackers. I could understand if it were money, but chuff's me, not a book. Have it.
Look what you've done. I'm looking after this book.
And what better off will it be when you've got it?
A lot because I'm going to get a Kestrel and train it.
Train it? You couldn't train a flea. Anyway, where are you going to get a Kestrel from?
I know, honest.
You don't.
All right, then I don't.
Where?
I'm not telling.
I said where?
Oh, you're hurting me arm.
Where then?
Monastery Farm. You blackguard, you could have brought me arm then.
Had to see about going round there with me gun.
If you do, I'll tell farmer on you.
Why, what's he got to do with it?
He protects them.
Protects them? Hawks are a menace to farmers.
They're only small. They eat mice, insects and little birds sometimes.
But these could have done with a bit of a polish. Oh, still in mind, it's going to be dark soon. What you going to do with yourself tonight, love?
Read me book.
Oh, God, look at time, 5 to 7. I'm going to be late again. Listen, Billy, there's 2 bob here. Chuck, I want you to get yourself some pop, some crisps. Dear?
Yeah.
And don't still be up when I come in, will you?
No.
Good night, then.
I came home unexpectedly and caught it lying needlessly in the middle of the day. And that was in the early spring when flowers blew and rather sick she went away. To be with you, if only I could.
Just like to come home, get me meals, get a bath, changing out me.
See, when you've been married once and you marry a wrong one, it makes you a bit apprehensive towards getting... Well, you know, don't you? Because you were never good. But it makes you a bit wary about getting married again.
She wants to go with a different bloke. I mean, it's not up to me to tell her what to do. I mean, she's old enough for...
He had been brought up a different environment and had a better education, he probably would have made more than what he has done. At the moment, he's just... he's hopeless. He's a hopeless case, isn't he?
3 good meals a day are given for about a fortnight. If a piece of meat, held between the finger and thumb of the gloved hand, is offered to the mohawk, it will probably bend down and pull at the meat with its beak. As soon as the yacht will come a leash length indoors, she may be tried off a fence or gatepost out of doors. It is quite likely that although she was coming to the first feast promptly indoors, she will now refuse to come at all. She will stand looking fearfully around her and ignoring the meat and the fish thrust in front of her. When she will come a leash length out of doors, she can be called greater distances by means of crayons, a long cord which is attached to the hawk to prevent her escaping. With luck, she will not attempt to fly away.
Magic, you're inside right. Come on.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Where are you today, sir? Liverpool? Rubbish, lad. Don't know your club colours. Manchester United stripped this.
They're playing tennis for again.
Speed.
Striker.
No, Charlton today, lad. All over the field. Do go for striker.
Of course, Charlton's not as quick up turn as low, is he?
You trying to tell me about football?
No, I'm just telling you.
You trying to tell me?
No, sir.
Anyway, Dennis Lawson to watch this, please.
No goal, sir. No goal, sir.
Who's in the goals?
Casper,
sir. Casper, what position is he supposed to be playing?
Don't know, sir. Inside left.
I'll tell you inside left back there, idiot. In the goals.
I can't go, sir.
Now's your chance to learn. In the goals.
Get on.
Think about it.
No, I'm...
Right, Tibbet, we're Manchester United. Who are you?
We'll be Spurs, sir, then there's no clash of colours.
Right, and it's Manchester United versus Spurs in this important fifth-round cup tie here at Old Trafford. And it's the fair, slightly bowling Charlton to kick off. Come on, Speed. What are you playing at, lad? You should have been on the move, lad. It's at your feet. Right in, Ryder, quickly. Where's the fifth team? Come on, quickly, Casper. I've never seen such slack work in my life, lad. Never seen such slack work in my life.
What's that for, sir?
Slack work, lad, slack work. Let that ball at the field, Parker.
Look at this, lad. To get this shit done and all after.
Cross the ball. And Charlton goes through.
Oh, never.
Penalty. Never. Who do you think you are, Bremner? Penalty. Outside the next one. Outside that semicircle.
Sorry, Claggy, drop.
Shall I take it, sir?
I take the penalty on this team.
Now stop it, Clegg.
No one moves till this ball's kicked. Just watch this, Guthrie. Right, Clegg.
Badger wants to
You move. top there.
You got everything, sir.
Why do you let Paddy take it, sir?
He moved.
I didn't move, sir.
The referee's decision is final.
How long does the referee?
School is done, sir.
Judd, how are you doing? Rough, man, rough. Why? You should be on top of the world on a day like today. Another 10 minutes and I'll be at the bottom of it. Hey? Yeah,
You know has actually happened. This is a fact. All right, have you got that clear?
Sir.
Tippett. Sit up straight, and I want the rest of you to look at him, if you can bear it, and tell me some facts about Tippett.
What's to know? He's always trying to go with lasses at night.
Is he?
He smokes.
Go on, Nick.
That does.
Get naughty.
All right. I'm not interested in what he does out of school hours, as long as he doesn't come into the class smoking a fag. All right? Come on, you people who aren't thinking. Right, Julie. I want you to think of an incident that's happened to you sometime in the past that is true and that you think will interest the rest of the class. All right?
Well, we went to this all-night party yesterday, and at about 3 o'clock, we were dancing in garden. Me and her and all the rest. Can't mention names. And this woman came across the front road, and she told us to make less noise, or she'd fetch police. So we said let her fetch them if she wanted. So she fetched them.
Things that had actually happened. How about another one? What about you, Casper? Casper!
What, sir?
What, sir? You'd know if you'd been listening. What have we just been talking about?
Stories, sir.
What kind of stories? You haven't been listening to a word I've said, have you?
Yes, sir, some of it.
Some of it? Stand up. Right, now you're going to tell us a story about yourself.
I don't know any, sir.
You don't know any? Well, you stand there till you do. Always somebody, isn't there, eh? Somebody who wants to be awkward. Just won't be interested, doesn't matter what you do. Just like you, Casper. Come on. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to think of something while the whole class comes back before 4 o'clock.
Come on, Casper, don't stand there like a nail.
Here's a nail. Come on. I say.
What about you, Casper?
If anybody else calls out, it'll be the last call they make. Speed.
He's got this hawk, and he goes mad over it. He never knocks about with anybody else. He just goes with hawk all the time. He's crackers over it.
Better do any road.
All right, Casper. Sit down. Now, come on. Tell us about this hawk. Where'd you get it from?
Found it, sir.
Where?
In the woods.
Where'd you keep it?
In a shed.
What'd you feed it on?
Beef, mice, birds.
But isn't it cruel to keep it in a shed? I mean, wouldn't it be happier flying free?
Don't keep it in shed all the time, sir. Fly it every day.
Doesn't it fly away? I thought they were wild birds.
Of course it don't fly away, sir. Trained it.
Well, are you going to tell us about it? How do you train a hawk, then?
We have to be right careful with him, sir. Right patient. You've got to feed them when they're hungry, sir. You can only do it when they're at feeding time, like, sir.
Yeah?
You've got to use jesses on, sir, all the time.
These what?
Jesses, sir.
How do you spell that?
J-E...
All right, come on. No. Now he's going to show us on the board. Jesses. This is a new word to me. Hands up those who've heard of jesses before. Nobody. Go on, write it up then. Right, now tell us what it is.
Well, they're like length straps and they attach to birds' feet. And say I've got a bird on my hand, straps go down there, and then they swivel.
Swivel, right down on the board.
Then you've got your leash.
Leash on the board.
I fit it on my hand first. Then when it got to know me, I fit it on my glove. And after a while, I put it 2 inches away from its claws. And like that, like, started to jump for me eat. When it started to jump, I could move my hand away.
Hold your hand up so we can see.
Could move my hand away, like, to 4 inches and 6 inches. And when it was doing that, I started doing it with leash.
Do they need water, like, you know when you've got a budgie and you put water in the budgie's case, you need water? Do they need water like that?
Well, it like as a bath. It has a bath right early on in morning, like.
When do you feed it? How many times a day?
To start off with, 3 or 4 times, you know, to get it plump.
You make it all sound very exciting, Billy.
It is, sir, but most exciting thing when I flew free first time, sir.
Do you want to hear about that? All right, come on.
Well, I'd been using crayons for about a week, and it had been going 30, 40 yards. And it says when birds going 30, 40 yards, it says in book, that it's time that it can start to fly free. Well, I've been wanting to fly free, but I daren't. You know, I threatened it to fly off or something like that. And this had been going on for 4 or 5 days, and keep on to me saying that fly it free next day. Anyway, I got right mad with me saying. I says, right, I'm flying it free tomorrow. Anyway, that Friday night it was, I didn't feed her up so that she'd be sharp set next morning. And I went to bed that night, Friday night, and I didn't get an hour's sleep at all. I frightened about bird, that she'd fly off or something like that. Anyway, when morning came, I kept on saying to me, saying, well, if she flies off, and it can't be helped. So I took Swivel off and let her up onto the post. There were no stopping her now, she could fly off. All were on her jesses. I thought she must fly off, she's forced to fly off. But she didn't, she just stood there, terrified. Well, anyway, she was stood there and I walked off into the field and she was looking around all over the place, and when I got in about 70 yards from her, in the middle of the field, I called her. Kes, come on, Kes, come on then. No, it happened. So I thought, well, I better walk back and pick her up. So while I was walking back, I saw her flying. She came like a bomb. About a yard off floor, light lightning, head still, and you couldn't hear wings. There wasn't a sound from wings, and straight onto the glove, wham! And she'll grab him for meat. Anyway, I was pleased with me saying I didn't know what to do. So I thought, well, I better do it again just to prove that it won't look. So I took her back onto the post and walked back up into the middle of the field and called her again. And she came just as good as first time, straight onto the glove and grabbing for meat. Well, that was it, sir. I trained her, sir, and that's all I could do.
I think you've done enough, don't you? Well done, Billy. Big hand of applause.
Ooh! I did that.
They got old Casper. No. They never is there? They just cadgers all the time. Casper the cadger, that's what they ought to call thee.
How good they ought to find McDowell?
I'll get this summit in a minute. What they're going for? Don't they like company? They said their mother does. There's got more uncles in this city than any other kid.
Shut him mouth.
Come and met me.
I once said that to our Judy'd murder thee.
You're just now.
What, he's got an estate, that's all?
But I know somebody who could do him.
Who, the father?
Ain't him the brother?
What is it then, my sister?
They don't him calling Casper for a start.
Of course it's me brother, we live in the same house, don't we?
Right, you lot! 10 seconds, out of my sight! 1, 2, 3! Right, come here, you two. Come on. What's going on?
As you see, he started it.
He's been chucking coke.
Ah, shut up, shut up. It's always the same tale, isn't it? Somebody else's fault, nobody's to blame. Look at the mess you're in, look at the state you've made. Don't look so sorry for yourself, Casper, you're not dead yet.
There will be when I've had him.
Oh, yes. You're a big lad, aren't you? Just about your size, Casper, isn't he? Eh? Why don't you pick on somebody your own size? What if I rubbed your nose in the coke, eh? What would you say about that? You'd say I was a bully, wouldn't you? And you'd be right. Because I'm bigger and I'm stronger than you, aren't I? Eh?
I'll fetch me dad.
Oh, yes, you'll fetch your dad and I'll fetch mine. My dad's heavyweight champion of the world, my dad is. So what will your dad do then, eh? That's what it's like to be bullied. You don't like it, do you? You'll like it a bit less if I ever catch you at it again. Do you understand, MacDonald? Do you understand it?
Sir.
Get it shoveled up. Come wait a minute. You've been smoking?
No, sir.
You haven't you? I can smell it on your breath.
No, sir.
See me afterwards. Get it done. Go on. What's it all about?
He keeps calling me names and saying things about me dad and me mum and our Judd and everybody were laughing.
All right, calm down. They all seem to pick on you, don't they, Casper? Why is it?
Don't know, sir.
Is it because you're a bad un?
Maybe I am sometimes, but I'm not that bad, sir. I know stacks of other kids that swear to me, but they seem to get away with it.
Why else do you think? Eh? There must be some reason, isn't there?
Well, take this morning, sir. I just came in, sir, and just dozed off. I wasn't doing nothing wrong, sir. You see, I'd been up since 6. I had to do papers. Then I had to rush home to have a look at bird, then run to school. I mean to say, you'd be tired, wouldn't you, sir?
I'd be exhausted. How are things at home these days?
All right, sir. Usual, I suppose.
What about the police? You've been in trouble with them recently?
No, sir. Not since I've been without McDowell's again, sir. You know, they used to go into the city and go into coffee bars and cinema, but since I've been with them, I've been all right.
It's all right now, isn't it?
Yes, sir, but whenever there's trouble on the estate, all us police come to our house.
Well, I shouldn't worry. Think of it, in a couple of weeks you'll be starting your new job, getting new friends. Looking forward to that, are you? Eh? You got a job?
No, sir, I've got to say employment block this after.
What sort of job do you want?
Not bothered, sir, anything under me.
Yeah, but you want something you're looking forward to, that you're interested in, don't you?
I've not much choice, sir. I'll take what I've got.
I thought you wanted to leave school.
I'm not bothered.
I thought you didn't like school.
I don't, but it don't mean to say I like work, does it? Still, I'll get paid for not liking it. That's one thing.
I suppose it is.
I might be able to save up and buy a goshawk then, sir. I've been reading about them.
Have you? When do you fly this hawk of yours?
Dinner times.
Where?
Just outside our house, sir.
What lane is that?
Yeah, it is, sir.
I'll come round then, if it's okay.
Hmm.
Go on then, get yourself cleaned up.
Guy Bob double crapper telling me he's dead. Chud. Bloody hellfire.
Bloody hell. Fire. Hope I'm not too late.
No, sir, but you'll have to stand over there.
I'll go by the fence, eh?
It's all right. As long as you keep quiet.
I'll not say a word. Well done, Casper. The most exciting thing I've ever seen in my life. Great. Thrill of a lifetime, lad.
Thank you, sir.
Let's have a look at it. Isn't it beautifully marked, eh? Look at the feathers on it. Oh, it's not going to eat that, is it?
Yes, sir. This bird's full of vitamins.
Oh, dear. How many more birds before him?
Starks, animals and all, sir. A young fox come once, reared it and let it go. A little blinder. I've had magpies, jackdaws. Had a young jay once.
He's your favourite, though, isn't he?
Others weren't in the same street. Come on, Go on, sir.
Dear me.
What's that mattress, sir? It's slippy.
Okay.
What's left, sir? On it, sparrow's leg. Must have been hungry.
Must have been starving.
You hang on here. I'll put him up first. Come on, then.
You know, there's something weird about it when it's flying.
Yeah, what's that? Hawks at best as fly as there is.
No, I didn't mean that. I mean, when it's flying, there's something about it makes you feel strange.
Is it because everything goes quiet?
That's it, aye.
Other folks have noticed that too, also. I know a farmer who says it's the same with owls. You know, when they get his mice in his yard at night. You know, when they swoop down, he feels like poking his ears to make them pop.
Mm.
You know, because it was that quiet.
It's as if they're flying in a pocket of silence. You noticed how quiet they were speaking? As if we're frightened to raise our voices. Be like shouting in church.
It's because they're nervous, sir.
Oh, no, it's more than that. It's instinctive. It's a sort of respect.
I know, sir, that's what makes me mad. You know, when I take her for walks, somebody comes up to me and says, look, it's Billy Casper, he's a pet hawk. I could shout at him, sir, it ain't a pet. Oh, if somebody comes up to me and says, is it tame? Is it tame? Hawks can't be tamed. They're manned. It's wild and it's fierce and it's not bothered about anybody. Not bothered about me, right? That's what makes it great.
A lot of people wouldn't understand that. They'd like their pets to be fussed.
I'm not bothered about that. I just want it for her looks and to fly her. Then keep the talking budgies. They're not compared with her.
You're right, Billy. You're probably right.
Do you know something, sir? I think she'd do me a favour just letting me sit here and watch her.
That's it. Number 12 doorkeeper.
Well, what's he studying, Lee?
Can I help you, son?
No, thanks.
Hey, mister, can you tell me prices of these?
What are they? Crackpot. Crackpot, 100 to 6. Tell him he's dead. Where is it? I've just been looking for this one myself. Tell him he's dead. Second favourite, 4 to 1, 100 to 6, 4 to 1.
Would you back 'em?
Tell him he's dead's a good horse. Best horse in race, top weight. Don't fancy that one, though. No form. Hasn't even got a jockey on here. No, shouldn't bother with that one.
Do you think they'll win, then?
How have you got them? Doubled?
They're not mine, they're our Judd's.
Oh, he'll be all right if they do, but I can't see it myself.
Right,
You're too right, Joe.
They're both with the chips and the fish.
Serve him, will you, Mary?
Yes, love. What do you want? Fish and chips.
And stop kicking, will you? We've only put that on today.
Got any scraps, missus?
Yes, look, I'll put your son on. 2 shilling, love. We're getting rid of this chips, Floyd. It's getting late now.
Don't be going mad.
6pence change, love.
These kids, I don't know, Mr. Glover, they're all the same.
And a quarter
They don't
beef.
smell good.
And a quarter beef.
You still got that bird then?
Yep. Come here.
You can have them for now.
For now?
Aye, they're only scraps.
For another chip?
No, I'm going home for my dinner in a minute.
Right then, ta. See ya.
See ya.
Usual difficulty over concentration. 3 5's 15, eh? We write 15 1 5. You write 5 1.
Isn't that illustrious brother of yours, Caspar? Shouldn't have thought he was the type to have paid a visit to his old school again. What's the matter? Don't you feel well?
No, sir.
Well, do you want to go out and get a drink of water or something?
No, sir.
Well, open the window, perhaps to make you feel better.
I'm all right, sir.
Please yourself. Right, now, just pass your books forward, will you, to the front. Front person on each row, bring them to my desk, will you? What's the matter, Caspar? Lost something?
Me, sir? No, sir.
On your way, then.
Well, what's up with me? It's that little bastard, our Billy. That you know, it's bet for an horses and kept speaking money. I'll kill the little get when I get on him. Have you ready? I'll murder him.
Hey, Jimmy. So sit down, Joe.
They've been looking all over for me.
Boys.
Rice pudding.
What for I do not.
Youth employment. I should have gone for the interview last lesson.
Is that seen now, Joe?
Yeah. I wanted to know where that's from. What did I run away from you when he saw me?
Casper, where the devil have you been?
Nowhere, sir.
Nowhere? Who are you, the invisible man?
I felt sick, so I went to the toilets.
Come in, lad, if you're coming. Sit down, Walker.
I'm not Walker, sir.
Well, who are you then? According to my list, it should be Gerald Walker next, Oliver, Stenton, then Walker.
I'm Casper.
Casper? Oh, sit down, Casper. I should have seen you earlier, shouldn't I? Well then, Casper, what kind of job had you got in mind? Well?
No, sir, I thought about it, right?
Well, you should be thinking about it. You want to start off on the right foot, don't you? Right then, well, would you like to work in an office? Or would you prefer manual work?
What's manual work?
Oh, it means working with your hands, things like farming, engineering, plumbing, things like that, as opposed to pen-pushing jobs.
You're right in an office. A job to read and write.
Manual. Tell me, Casper, have you ever thought about entering a trade as an apprentice? You know, as an electrician or a bricklayer or something like that. Of course, the money's not too good while you're serving an apprenticeship. And if you do stick it out, you'll always have a trade at your fingertips, won't you? Well then, Casper, what do you think about it? And as you've already said, you feel better working with your hands. Perhaps this is your best bet. Of course, you'll have to go to technical college and study for various examinations. But some lads do it. Some do it for years, 2 or 3 nights a week, right from leaving school right up to the mid-20s, when they take the high national, or even degrees. I say, lad, are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Well, you don't look as though you are. I've been the last to see you before 4 o'clock, you know. Well, if nothing I've mentioned so far appeals to you, and if you can stand a hard day's work and you don't mind getting dirty, there are good opportunities in mining.
I'm not going down, Pete.
Oh, don't be put off by what you've heard. Conditions have improved tremendously.
I won't be seen dead down, Pete.
What about hobbies? What hobbies have you got? Do you like gardening or constructing Meccano sets or anything like that? Don't you have any hobbies at all?
Can I go now?
What's wrong with you, lad? Sit down, sit down. I haven't finished yet. Well, I've met some lads in my time, but I've never met one like you, Casper. Half the time you're like a cat on hot bricks, the other half you're not listening. Here, take this form. It gives you all the relevant information about leaving school and starting work. Things like pension, superannuation, national insurance, wages and so on. At the back, there's a detachable form. When you want your cards, fill it in. Come back here, lad, I haven't finished yet. When you want your cards, fill in that form, send it into the office. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Don't forget. And listen, Casper, if you do have any trouble getting fixed up, do come in and see what.
Yeah.
Send the next boy in.
Kes! you seen our Judd?
I haven't, I'm sorry. Have you seen our Judd?
Of course I've seen your Judd. Doesn't look as though you've seen him, else you wouldn't be all in one piece.
You've seen him then?
Of course I've seen him. Coming here playing hell up. Going to put counter down and everything.
What did he do then?
To fetch a club to prove they hadn't put bet on.
They won then, did they?
Both of them, 106 and 4-1. He'd have won a tenner, tell you that.
Bloody hell.
Till this time. Your tea's going cold here.
I said, where is he?
Who's that staring at
The little pig.
you? Well, call me a little pig, or I bet you'll have
Hey! Judd, what's up, bloody pushing and shoving?
Ask him, he knows.
Yes, and Darren known it for a gardener this afternoon.
Oh, get lost.
Knows what? What's going on? What's up with him? What you been doing to him?
The not as like to have told you this morning there would be none of this.
Well, he's put it on, Auntie.
Does he bloody hell?
Well, I told him to. I asked you not to forget before I went to work
He
this
didn't
morning.
forget, he spent money.
How'd you know?
Because he has.
Well, what are you getting so damned upset for? Have they won or something?
Have they won? I'd had 16 quid to draw if he'd kept his thieving little hands to himself.
Now look what you've done.
Well, I should have done anything since you that.
Hey, listen,
Work for that.
Get like a big pig.
Hey! Well, what's he upset for?
Because he's killed me off instead, that's why.
He never has.
Yes, I know he is. Because he couldn't catch me.
Judd, you have not killed this kid's off.
So I have. What are you going to do about it?
Bloody killing yourself, that's what you want.
If it's your own fault, we're only going to let it go. Get latching up with Claude to kill it. What else could I do?